Welcome to Spirit Shack. This is the 360 Motion Puck. It has a built-in battery and also comes with a USB-C cable to charge it. It doesn't come with the little tripod mount, but I do recommend you get one of these. You can pick them up off eBay or Amazon or whatever. You need to get one with the 1/4 inch male thread, because obviously it's got the 1/4 inch female thread there. That's just the standard universal size for cameras. So yeah, these are easy to get hold of and they only cost a couple of pounds. The reason we recommend mounting it either on a small tripod or a large tripod is because these are motion detectors and they don't just detect in a straight line of sight, they kind of come out at an angle. So what you find is if this is on the floor, on a flat surface, each one of these sensors detects the floor, which will trigger it. So you need to raise it off the floor a little bit at least, so when that goes out it's not hitting and detecting the floor. Yeah, so just stick it on one of these and you'll be fine. So basically it's a 360 motion sensor, because you've got motion sensors all the way around the unit, and the beauty about it is each sensor is linked to the lights above it. So if it picks something from this side, the lights here will light, and this side, the lights here will light. And the good thing is all of these are active at the same time. So if it's detecting 3 different spirits on 3 sides, you will get lights in 3 places. It's also got sound, so you can audibly hear it when it's been triggered. This is the on and off button, the dial. So when you first turn it on, you'll hear a click. That's on. You just have to be gentle with this dial. The further you turn it, the greater the distance it covers. So if you turn it on so it clicks, leave it there, that's on minimum sensitivity. So it might detect 1.5 foot, or 1 foot in either direction. Obviously put it on maximum, it's going to cover a couple of meters in every direction. So basically if you're using this in an enclosed space like a corridor, don't turn the dial on full because it'll detect the walls and it'll just be constantly going off. So basically you want it on the highest you can do, but also so it's not detecting walls and objects around it. So we'll just put it on minimum sensitivity just to show you it working. Stand the feet out. Right, so when you see that blue light going around the perimeter, that means it's looking for activity. So if I put my hand there, for example, in front of that sensor, see the red light's there. As I move my hand around, you see the light's moving with me. And obviously we can increase that range. The light colour's changed. Let's wait for it to calibrate again. There we go, just takes a minute to calibrate. So yeah, the range has increased now. It's now detecting me further away. And obviously you keep turning that dial, the sensitivity increases. But when the dial gets to the end, don't force it because you'll just break the dial. So when it stops, that's it. So if you want one of these, I'll leave a link in the video description, and thanks for watching.